Hello, this is Absolut Drinks. I'm Rico, and today we're gonna make the Ramos Gin Fizz. Ramos Gin Fizz is an extremely old drink. It's over 115 years old. 1888 is the first recorded mention of it. We're gonna do some shaking. Lots of shaking in this one. We're gonna take our Boston tin, and again, remember, always start with your cheapest ingredients first. We're gonna stick 20 mils of sugar syrup in. Orange blossom water. This is a very floral, aromatic flavor. We want one good little dash in there. Heavy cream. We want up 30 mils of heavy cream. Next, we want to get the citrus in there, but we're going to actually put two different types of citrus in. So we're going to want to put 15 of the lemon and 15 of the lime. And then we get the good stuff. Always get the best flavored vodka you can get. And this is some amazing flavored vodka, all the way from London. You know these cups? That means we're gonna have some eggs in here. So we're gonna separate the egg whites from the yolks. Who's putting hard-boiled eggs in here, guys? Jesus Christ. A real one this time. A real egg. We're gonna use the entirety of this egg white, sorry. I'm gonna throw it straight in. And now we've got 12 minutes of shaking. Let's do this. A nice big block of ice, but we're gonna be shaking 12 minutes. I'm gonna get my timer out. I'm not looking forward to this. The reason why I need to shake this for 12 minutes is because we need to shake the bubbles in, shake the bubbles out. We're trying to get the smoothest consistency. Back in the day, 20 bartenders used to be employed to shake this, 1 minute per shake, per bartender. This is only a minute, it's not even a minute. It's not cold at all on the hands. Shaker boy gloves.
I've never seen nothing this good before. Where's he going with this? Where's he going with this?
What's the time looking like?
6 minutes left.
We've got 6 minutes left.
Just when you think he's done shaking, he ain't done shaking.
We need a machine for this.
Nothing. Boy, I'll pay good money for this programming.
Thank you. Head of Bruce, everybody, head of Bruce. We've got rid of the ice. Now we're looking good. We're gonna take our last ingredient, which is soda water. So you're gonna pour a little bit in. And then, at exactly the same time, you want a little bit of a head over the top. If you're an expert, you can get a nice big head like that, but not today. I'm too tired. We're gonna garnish it off with a nice orange zest. You wanna get a real nice long one, so try and go for the full length of the fruit. We've got one nice big long horse's neck. Get some of the oils on there. But there we have. Ramos Gin Fizz, 12 minutes of shaking. That was tiring. Done. Cheers, cheers, cheers. Cheers. How's that?
Good.
Good.
How's yours?
Amazing. Looks fantastic. Ramos Gin Fizz, everybody.